Maybe there's some mental chatter going on.
Look at you, you badass mother! Yes! You are the greatest of all time! Feel like it, dance like it, do like it, act like it, and you will become it! As friends, as family, as birth, as frequency. Are you alive? Are you ready? Get in the middle, get in the middle, get in the middle, people. As friends, as family, as what? We're gonna go for it! If you feel to shout, if you feel to sing, whatever you want to do, just let it go. Are you ready? Out! Yeah! Let's go! It's like a race. Stay on the line, John.
Would you go to bed with me?
Go!
Would you go to bed with me?
Yeah, this is the euphoria moment. Notice the freedom you feel right now. Through the music, through your body, as freedom. Right? As freedom, as frequency. This is what happens when you drop the stories. You feel emotion, it's all welcome. Everything is welcome, just allow it to be. We're just frequency.